My name is Hussein Shibli, and in this video I'll be explaining Unit 1 of Integrated Math 2. Unit 1, Characteristics of Functions. Functions are relationships where each input has a single output value. In Unit 1, we learned the different functions such as absolute functions, direct and inverse functions, as well as properties of exponents such as radical and rational exponents, and finally exponential functions. Alright, so we're going to answer some questions now. So the first question is 256 squared to the fourth. So 256 is the same as 2 to the 8th. Okay? Now we just do that to the fourth square root. And that equals 2 to the second because we just divide these two. And 2 to the second just equals 4. Okay. The next question is 1/4 to the negative 2. What we're going to do is we can just put both of these in there, right? So what we're going to do is we need to flip this because this is a negative exponent and we can't really do that. So this turns to 4/1 to the second, which is just 4 to the second, and that equals 16. Okay. So this question, using our exponent rules, we just multiply these two together. So -2 to the third times 1 to the half, or 1/2 equals -2/3, which equals -1/3. Now I just bring the x back. And we don't like how that is a negative exponent, so we're just gonna put that over under 1. That's our answer. This is an exponent, by the way. This is above. Alright. The second example I want to do is graphing exponential functions. So we can see that this is also a negative exponent, so we're gonna put that, we're gonna turn that to 1/2. What we're gonna, oh my bad, this is x, 1/x. Okay, so we're gonna make a t-chart, x, y, and we're gonna do a couple different variables. We're gonna do -2, -1, 0, 1, and 2. Okay, so -2, that turns 2/1 like this, and that equals 4. So this one's 4. This is just -1, so we'll do it out again like that. -1, which turns to 2/1, power 1, and 2 to the power of 1 just equals 2. That's 2. Any number to the power of 0 is just going to equal 1. And then we can just do this again. So 1/2 power 1 just equals 1/2. So that is 1/2. And then we'll do it again with 2. So 1/2 power 2. And that just equals 1/4. Because we're just distributing this. And that is 1/4. Alright, now we're going to graph it. So how we do this is we're going to make a graph. This is our y, this is our x. And we're just going to plot our points using this, what we just made. So we need to go all the way up to 4. So this is going to be 0. This is going to be -1, -2. It's going to be 1. This is going to be 2. And we go on the x, we go up to 2 as well. So 1, 2, and we don't really need to go lower, but we will do that. 1 and 2. We really need to go lower because we know we're not going to go farther down the y. So we're going to do our first plotting. So -2 and 4. Oh shoot, I messed up. I need to go. I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, this is 4. So negative 2, 4 is going to be up here. And then next one is negative 1, 2. Okay, and then next one's just 0, 1. And then 1/2. 1, 1/2. So that's probably be around here. And 1, 1/4, or 2, 1/4 can be like right under. Or not right under, like half of that. And then we just draw a line. Okay, and that is our graph showing this. Okay, I hope that was clear and helpful.